Hello. Today we are going to make Gorcha dish under Newari recipe, which used to be one of the most popular dishes. It is also called PaniRoti in Nepali. It is called Gorcha or PaniRoti as it is a dish made by mixing dough ball with mustard greens. Apart from mustard greens, this dish can also be made with kaltori green and turnip greens etc. Today we can also buy fattening mustard greens in the market, called choisun. Choisun greens also make delicious gorcha. Today we are making gorcha from these greens. First clean it well. Since it is tender, we can also slice it by hand. Earlier, this gorcha dish was used a lot because there was a shortage of rice. As this green is not enough, we add another green a little bit. Now wash it well. If it is to preserve the vitamins of the greens, we can wash them well before we cut them. Now need about 200 grams of flour. We can also add potatoes to it. Cut the potatoes thinly to help them cook quickly. It can also be mixed directly with the previous greens. Now onto the spices used in it. Take 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. We use 1 liter of water. Heat a karai. After heating the karai, add about 100 milliliters of soybean oil. We can also roast fenugreek in it. Instead of fenugreek, it is very good to use shallot. After this fenugreek turns black, we put the previous greens in it. Fenugreek has turned black, now we keep the greens. Stir the greens lightly. Now close the lid. Stir a couple of times in between. This green is half cooked. Now we can pour the previously prepared spices on it. Stir lightly. Now we use 1 liter of water in it. Stir lightly again. Now we use the previous dough in it. According to the greens, the pre-kneaded flour is slightly more. We only use half. Let's make the dough ball and put in it. If the ball of this dough becomes small and thin, it will cook quickly. Stir lightly again. This work has also been completed. Now we can cover it. Stir a couple of times in between. Look, water has dried up, that is, it has ripened. If you want to drink the soup, put off the fire beforehand. Let's eat a little to test. It is customary to eat it with a little rice. Also I am eating it with some choila and sanyakwaya. If you also want to make choila and sanyakway, I've left a link in the description, so don't forget to check it out. If you like Newari recipes, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to comment if there are some things in your mind. Thanks for watching the whole video.